Hi friends, it is such an honor to invite you to the Advanced Relationship Workshop Saturday night, 9 p.m. It is a wonderful opportunity because I think it was Sigmund Freud that said that the quality of our lives is defined by our ability to be productive, our work, and the quality of our relationships. And when it comes to the quality of our relationships, nothing matters more than our romantic relationship, our partners in life. And it is one of the biggest sources of pleasure, learning, and growth, a romantic relationship, but it is also the biggest source of pain and difficulty for most of us on this earth. And what is interesting about that is that in our culture, we study everything. We study how to build this whole world, right? But very few of us take the time to study some ideas about relationships. Now, I've been working for 23 years as a hypnotherapist and as a relationship coach, and I've helped hundreds of couples overcome what I call relationship turmoil, sometimes high conflict relationship turmoil. And I've learned a few lessons about what can make a relationship better. And one of the concepts that we're going to discuss is this idea of the male and female energy balance. And in a romantic relationship, the concept of male and femaleness comes into play. And so if you're interested in how to understand those energies and how to bring them out in a way that is productive for your relationship, then the Advanced Relationship Workshop is for you. Saturday night, 9 p.m. by Zoom. Let me know if you want an invite and you get a link and you'll be a part of the workshop with us. I'm so happy to meet you. Thank you.